Today I'm at the wild park in Germany again. Another attempt to seeing and photographing the lynx kittens. So hopefully I'll be more lucky this time. Fingers crossed. Let's have a look at some of the images. I don't know if they're any good because it was very dark, so I really had to bump up my ISO to ISO 4000. But I think this one is not too bad. Really pleased with it. I am so very happy. The lynx kittens were visible for about 15-20 minutes. They came out to play and have a drink, so that was incredible. So I have some photos for you that I will show, and maybe some videos, but not much because I can't photograph and take videos at the same time. So I've chosen to take some photos, but it was incredible, absolutely amazing. What a great day. I very much like this one too, up in the tree.